Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class, a luxury SUV that combines elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. If you love premium cars, stay tuned because this is one you don't want to miss. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its bold red finish. Its sleek body lines flow smoothly from the front grille to the rear, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated stance. The LED headlights are sharp and modern, with dynamic turn signals adding that touch of luxury. From the side, the sculpted panels and alloy wheels give it a poised look, while the rear features a subtle spoiler and elegant tail lamps. Whether in a luxurious showroom or out on the road, this SUV demands attention. The aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it enhances efficiency and stability at high speeds. Step inside and you're greeted with a world of luxury. The cabin is finished in premium materials, soft-touch leather, and brushed metal accents. The dual-zone climate control ensures comfort for both front and rear passengers. The GLC's infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen display, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Ambient lighting with multiple colors adds a customizable upscale vibe. You also get a digital instrument cluster, which is clear, modern, and highly informative. Space is generous for both passengers and luggage, making it perfect for family drives or weekend getaways. Under the hood, the 2026 GLC-Class offers a range of engines, from turbocharged 4-cylinders to high-performance AMG variants. Acceleration is smooth, handling is precise, and adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride even on uneven roads. The SUV comes with all-wheel drive options, making it capable in all weather conditions. Steering is responsive, brakes are strong, and overall it offers a confident and composed driving experience. For enthusiasts, the AMG GLC-63 variant takes things to the next level with impressive horsepower and an exhilarating exhaust note. Mercedes hasn't skimped on tech. You get advanced driver assistance systems including lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. The infotainment system supports navigation with real-time traffic, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports. Even the lighting system is intelligent, adjusting brightness based on surroundings. Every feature is designed for convenience, safety, and an enjoyable driving experience. To sum it up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC-Class is a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. Its striking red exterior, elegant interior, and smooth ride make it a standout in the luxury SUV segment. Whether you're cruising the city streets or taking it on longer journeys, this SUV delivers comfort, style, and excitement. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium car content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.